I am the voice of God. And anyone who doesn't like it will be hewn down.
On September 11th, 1857, in an unspoiled valley of the Utah Territory, and in the name of God, 120 men, women, and children were savagely murdered.
Mormons, do your duty!
Mum, I'm sorry. Janice is late down this morning.
Seems to please herself nowadays, doesn't she?
Look, stop bloody ignoring me. I'm here, right in front of you. You weren't last night, were you? I'm fucking standing here now, aren't I?
Hey! You'll just cut that out, and if you want anything to eat, get it. Now. And if you don't want it, do without.
We've not had a wink of sleep all night, wondering where you were, and look at you. I begin to wonder whether you've taken
And
leave
don't be
of
just
your
standing
senses.
there, looking stupid.
Ashamed of
She
yourself.
locked me out.
Who's she? She never locked you out.
She bloody did.
I
It must
did
have
not.
suited you to
I
go
was
away.
coming down to open that door, and you were away as fast as you could jolly well get. In fact, your father and I have decided you have to see a doctor. There's something obviously going wrong with you.
What? You cut my baby out.
Hey, put that knife down.
If anybody's
Janice,
killing
Janice, give
anybody
me that
or
knife.
upsetting anybody, it's you that's
Janice,
upsetting me.
Janice. Look, nobody's going to touch you,
I
love.
just don't know.
Put the knife down. Give it to me. Give me the knife.
She did.
Give me that knife.
Put it down.
You bloody bitch, you. This is just about the lot. I've had enough of you. Bitch, you stupid. Sit still. Not a bloody doctor she wants. It's the police, and I'm fed up with a lot of it.
You are a wicked girl, Janice. You've done this to our household. You've upset everybody. Yourself. You're so wicked. You really are. You are. No self-respecting person would behave the way you have. Do you know where you've been all night? I don't suppose you do by the look of you. Do you know where you've been? Who were you with? They must have been terrible people. Look at you. You look as if you've been dragged through the gutter. I just don't know what's going to happen. I really don't. You've got to alter your ways, and very, very quickly. There must be something wrong with you, child. There must be.
Goddag, Lise.
Goddag.
Har de haft en god jul?
Nej, forfærdelig. Jeg har sådan savnet dem, frøken Vestergaard.
Huskede de at hilse deres forældre fra mig? Goddag.
Vi skal danse. Nej, det passer ikke.
Signe, luk op. Det er bare os. Signe, luk op.
Tak skal du have.
Hvad har du lavet?
Jeg har holdt jul med mig selv. Skål.
Har du været her hele julen?
Næsten. Det er den bedste jul, jeg nogensinde har haft.
Tag dig nu sammen. Der er kun nogle få måneder endnu. Jeg vil ikke giftes. Jeg duer ikke til det her.
Det gør vi andre da heller ikke. Grin af det. Det gør vi.
Hoppede, forlokkede
We don't find any difficulty whatever in supposing that if any animal is placed in an environment which is set up to disorder that animal, that it's quite easy to do that. We can drive, and has been done in pretty well all the usual, I think, all the animals used in ordinary laboratory experimentation have been driven crazy deliberately by the environmental experimentalists just to show how easy it is. So we know that an environment, and we know that the communicational environment alone can induce all the functional disorders in somebody, so it might appear that we have in question.